Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we are going to see indexing in string data type in Python. We have already seen what is string data type. So whenever you want to represent single character or group of characters, at that time the data type of that variable is string data type, right? So next is string is an ordered data type. So what is meant by ordered data type in Python? Means whatever the elements in that data type are stored in proper order, right? And using indexing and slicing you can access elements. So in this video we are going to see indexing. In next video I will explain slicing. So first we will see indexing. So when we have to use this indexing, so whenever we want to access single element of a string, at that time using indexing we can access that element. In Python indexing starts with 0, and in Python there are two types of indexing: positive indexing and negative indexing. So how to access element using index? So you have to give here string name, so whatever your variable name is there, so that you have to give, and here you have to provide index. So now, for example, I have one string. So for example, I have one string that is city, and it is containing Delhi. So this is my string. So what I have told you, in Python indexing starts with 0, and there are positive and negative indexing that we will see next. So indexing starts with 0. So whatever the first element is there, its index is 0. The next element index is 1, then 2, 3, 4, right? So in this way indexes are allotted internally to each element of this string. So if you want to access this h using this index, so how to access that? So I have given here syntax. You have to give string name and square bracket, and in that you have to give index. So what is our string name? So city is our string name, and here we have to provide index. So what is the index of this h? So this is 3, right? So and it will give us h, small h, right? So in this way using indexing you can access single element of a string. And I have told you, in Python indexing we have two types of indexing: positive indexing and negative indexing. So what is positive indexing? It is from left to right. So it starts from left to right. For example, Delhi is there, Delhi, right? So so if I want to give positive indexes, it is starting from left to right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So these are the positive indexes, and these are starting from 0 and going increasing, right? Then negative indexing is there. So negative indexing is from right to left, and it starts with -1. So how to give it? For example, this is our string Delhi, and if I want to give negative indexes, first one is -1, so it is starting from right? So next is -2, -3, -4, and -5, right? So in this way these are the negative indexes and these are the positive indexes. So whenever you want to access element using indexing, you can use both positive and negative index, right? So we will see this practically. Now we will see indexing practically. So for example, I have one string, and that string's data is, for example, Bengaluru, right? So now this is my string, and I want to access element of this string. So we have to use indexing. So whatever this Bengaluru is there, so how these indexes are allotted to this string, to each character we will see. For example, this is our string Bengaluru, right? And we are seeing first positive indexes. So positive index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So these are the positive index. And what are the negative indexes? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. Means using both positive and negative indexes you can access elements. Now we will see practically. So for example, I want to access for example G I want to access, right? So how to access, what is the index? Positive index is 3 and negative index is minus 6. So we will see both. For example, print city and square brackets you have to use and you have to give index. So positive index is 3 we have given. Then the same element we will print using negative index. So what is negative index? That is minus 6. And if I run this program, now I got here G, right? So in this way, using indexes, positive or negative indexes, you can access list elements. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.